Zach Sieler, Miami Dolphins. I've done 8 years in the NFL now.
Zach Sieler, former Division II walkout.
They come by with Sieler, and he got him. Intercepted. Sieler.
Going into my 8th season now in the NFL. It's been an incredible journey. Grew up in a small town in Michigan. Auto industry was my life. Went to school for mechanical engineering. After graduating, I was fortunate enough to get drafted, which was awesome, but I did have plans if that didn't work out. A couple job offers at GM right there in Detroit. So working for the big three, kind of like a lot of my family members have done. So automotive has always been a huge passion. My wife and I just picked up this golf cart, which is super cool. We're super excited about it, but the batteries were kind of shot. Started looking up prices, started matching the price from the dealership, and I actually found a website, extremekartz.com, and the owner over there, the guys over there were awesome. Talked with Ryan a little bit, and everything pointed to Bolt Energy. So it's been super cool. Reached out to the guys over there, Bobby and Brent, told me which path to go, what route to take, and how to get the install done. And I've been probably about 3-4 hours took me to get the battery in and get in that cart, and I'm super excited. Haven't even driven it yet, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Now it's like you step on it, there's so much more it wants to go to. So it's got me excited to kind of maybe tinker with this again and put an AC motor on it, because this thing is fast, it's strong, and it just, you can tell it's not struggling to move me anymore. I'm super excited to drive this around again and just kind of really enjoy it. So excited for this. Thanks again, Bolt. You guys were awesome. Couldn't say enough great things about these guys.
Yeah! Come on!
King.
Hey, you too, brother, man.
Hell of a job out there.
Appreciate it, John. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Keep on. All right, guys. See y'all. See you guys.